What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to be installing the first inner panel for the roof. I already got it cut out and I just want to apologize in advance for my mess. I'm jumping around doing some electrical, doing some wiring, and yeah, so I'm all over the place right now, so you'll just have to excuse my mess. So what I've got so far, this is going to be for my spotlights. They'll shine down in the pantry area. That way it'll be well lit at night. I've got all my preliminary wiring done. I still have to wire for the ceiling fan vent, but everything else is I got running out the back like it's supposed to. I got all my marker lights wired, everything wired. I've got my temporary inner roof in place. I needed to get it so I could put the next board that'll house the electrical switches. And like I said, you'll have to excuse my mess. And here's the electrical so far. I'm gonna have to touch it up. But yeah, so that'll be for all my switches. That'll be installed today after I secure the inner roof. This is a big mess, but as you can see, I've got some wires running to my fuse box already. So I'll finish this up today. My battery will get installed. I'll be able to test. I've got to install my reading lights. So with the inner roof, what I did is I went ahead and I notched it out, and that way it'll fit snugly with the air conditioner. And once I get the trim, I think it's going to look really decent. So that's where we are. I'm going to install this inner roof, install my reading lights, get them wired all up, get my electrical switch box wired up. I'll put a false wall here that'll hold my switches. And yeah, so we're moving right along. Let me get this inner roof installed. Hey, what's up everyone? I got so busy concentrating on cutting my headboard out that I forgot to turn my GoPro on. I was gonna film it, but anyway, I got it installed, got it all caulked and sealed, and I've got my reading lights attached, which are gonna be pretty awesome. You just touch them to turn them on, and they've got a USB charging port, so that's cool. What I'm doing now, I've got all the wiring pre-wired done. I just have to wire it to my switches, and I've got my face plate for the switch box cut out. Been busy today. It's been a good day. I'll get back with you after I get the switches installed. We'll be just getting close to testing the electrical out. And the infamous pantry is getting closer every day. Still don't know if it's going to work. I've got a contingency plan if it fails and falls off in the middle of the road, which I hope it won't. But like I said, it's uncharted waters, and I don't know. You know, your guess is good as mine if it's going to work. So it's always on the back of my mind. But we keep the build going.